Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome to Aggie's Vine. My name is Aggie, and thank you for joining me as we dive into how to make money online. In the hustle and bustle of the digital age, everyone is on the hunt for that golden opportunity. You know, the one that lets you work from anywhere, on your terms, and still brings in a decent paycheck. Well, you're in luck because today, we'll be exploring the 7 best websites that pay you up to $250 to work from anywhere. Yes, you heard that right. From graphic design and writing gigs to simple tasks and surveys, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you on these platforms. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, there's something for everyone. Before we proceed to these amazing websites, remember to subscribe to my Patreon. That's where all the job listings will be, and it's only $1 to become a member. Kicking off our list is a popular platform known as Upwork. This is a marketplace that connects freelancers with clients in need of their skills. You'll find a wide array of job categories here, from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. There's truly something for everyone. The way Upwork operates is pretty straightforward. You create a profile, browse through job postings, and submit proposals to potential clients. Once you land a gig, you complete the work and get paid through Upwork's secure payment system. Now, let's talk earnings. While it varies depending on your skills and the client's budget, freelancers can earn anywhere from $10 to several $100s per job. Some seasoned freelancers even make a full-time income. But remember, while the potential for high earnings is there, it does require effort, patience, and exceptional work. Upwork is a great place to start if you're new to remote work and looking to build a portfolio. Next up, we have Fiverr. This innovative platform has revolutionized the freelance marketplace by offering a unique concept, the gig economy. At its core, Fiverr allows anyone with a skill or service to offer it online in the form of a gig. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a voiceover artist, or even a life coach, Fiverr has a place for you. The gigs available on Fiverr are as diverse as the people who offer them, meaning there's a wide range of potential earnings. You could make anywhere from $5 for a quick task to several hundred for a complex project. What's more, Fiverr provides a secure payment system and a user-friendly interface, making the process of buying and selling services as smooth as possible. So if you have a knack for something, a talent that you believe others could benefit from, or a unique service to offer, Fiverr could be the place for you. Moving on, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform is a marketplace for work that requires human intelligence. It's a place where businesses and developers pay you to do tasks that are simple for humans, but hard for computers. You might be asked to identify objects in a photo or video, transcribe audio recordings, or even take part in surveys. The beauty of Amazon Mechanical Turk is the flexibility it offers. You can choose from thousands of tasks and complete them at your own pace. Payments are made per task and can range from a few cents to several dollars depending on their complexity. While it's not a place to make a fortune, you can certainly earn a decent amount if you're diligent. Some Turkers, as they're called, even report making up to $250 a month by spending a few hours daily on the platform. Amazon Mechanical Turk is perfect for those who like to work on simple tasks and make some extra cash. Coming up next is Freelancer. A bustling marketplace for creative and professional services, Freelancer offers a variety of opportunities for those looking to work from anywhere. Whether you're a graphic designer, a web developer, a writer, or a marketing guru, Freelancer has a job for you. The platform works in a simple, intuitive way. You create a profile, showcase your skills and portfolio, then start bidding on projects that match your expertise. From small, quick tasks to long-term contracts, Freelancer caters to all types of work styles. Payment on Freelancer operates through a secure system, ensuring that your hard-earned money is safe. Once you've completed a project, funds are released to you. The potential earnings? Well, they're as limitless as your ambition. Some freelancers make a comfortable living solely from their freelancer gigs. Freelancer is great for those who prefer project-based work. The 5th website on our list is Etsy. This platform is a haven for those with a knack for creating handmade goods. From knitted scarves and homemade candles to custom jewelry and personalized artwork, the possibilities are as boundless as your creativity. But how does payment work? Well, once you've set up your shop and listed your products, customers can purchase your goods with a click of a button. Etsy then deposits the payment directly into your bank account, minus a minimal listing and transaction fee. Potential earnings? Now, that's a good question. The earnings vary widely depending on the product, pricing, and demand. However, with dedication and a unique product, earnings can range from a nice side income to a full-time living. So, whether you're an artisan looking for a wider audience or a hobbyist seeking to monetize your passion, Etsy could be your ticket to making money online. If you're a crafty person, Etsy could be your online marketplace. Next, we have user testing. Now, this is a fun one, especially if you're the type who enjoys exploring new websites and apps. User testing is a platform that pays you to do just that. Companies looking for user feedback on their websites or applications turn to user testing. And you, as a tester, can earn money by providing that valuable feedback. The process is pretty straightforward. You sign up, take a test review, and once approved, you can start accepting testing jobs. Each test takes approximately 20 minutes to complete and involves tasks like navigating a website or using an app, while speaking your thoughts out loud. The payment is pretty decent too. You get $10 for every completed test through PayPal exactly 1 week after the test. Now, imagine if you do 5 tests per day. That's $50 a day and $250 a week. User testing is a fun way to make money if you enjoy giving feedback and trying out new things. Last but not least, we have Shutterstock, a platform that allows photographers and videographers to make money by selling their images and videos to a global audience. It's simple. Upload your high-quality photos and videos, and when someone downloads your content, you earn royalties. The payment structure is based on your lifetime earnings, which means the more you earn over time, the higher your royalty rate. For instance, if you've earned less than $500, you get 20% of the image's sale price. But when you cross the $10,000 mark, your earnings go up to 30%. The potential earnings are promising. With millions of users around the globe, your work has the potential to be seen and bought by a vast audience. If you are passionate about photography or videography, and you have a knack for capturing unique perspectives, Shutterstock could be a lucrative venture for you. If you're a photographer or videographer, Shutterstock could be the perfect platform for you. So, there you have it, folks. 7 websites that offer the opportunity to work from anywhere and earn up to $250. Let's do a quick recap. Upwork, connecting freelancers with clients in need, perfect for specialists. Fiverr, a platform for selling your services. Amazon Mechanical Turk, a marketplace for completing simple tasks. Freelancer, a platform to bid on jobs worldwide. Etsy, a site for selling handmade goods and vintage items. User testing, a place to earn by providing feedback on websites and apps. Finally, Shutterstock, for photographers or graphic designers to sell their images. Each website opens a door of earning online. Some require specific skills, others need time and effort. Regardless of your skills or interests, there's a platform for you. Remember, the trick to earning online is what suits you best. Before we end, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and my Patreon, where I post more job listings. And the best part, it's only $1 to join. So not only do you support this channel, but you also get access to more ways to earn money online. Thank you for watching and joining me today. Until the next video, stay motivated, continue to be inspired, and always remember, I'm cheering for you. The key to making money online is to find what works best for you. And remember, I'm always here, cheering you on every step of the way.